Is Hinduism about beating a Sikh or a Muslim? Hindutva, of course, is.
Senior Congress leader Rahul Gandhi on Friday, November 12, addressed a training program of Jan Jagran Abhiyan via video conferencing, during which he stated that Hindutva and Hinduism are two different things and stressed the need to explore and understand such differences. While pointing out the difference between Hinduism and Hindutva, he said, "What is the difference between Hinduism and Hindutva? Can they be the same thing? If they are the same thing, why don't they have the same name? They are obviously different things. Is Hinduism about beating a Sikh or a Muslim? Hindutva, of course, is."
Hinduism, as we know it, and Hindutva, are they the same thing? Can they be the same thing? If they are the same thing, why don't they have the same name? Why do they have a different name? Why do we use the word Hinduism? Why not just use Hindutva if they're the same thing? They're obviously different things. Is Hinduism about beating a Sikh or a Muslim? Hindutva, of course, is. But is Hinduism about killing a cloud? In which book is this written? I have not seen it. I have read the Upanishads. I have not seen it.
Further, Rahul Gandhi also acknowledged that the hateful ideology of RSS and BJP has now overshadowed Congress ideology because the Congress did not propagate it among our own people aggressively, he stated. Today, whether we like it or not, the hateful ideology of RSS and BJP has overshadowed the loving, affectionate and nationalistic ideology of Congress party. We have to accept this. Our ideology is alive, vibrant, but it has been overshadowed.
So these are the type of things we have to discuss, and these are the type of things that we have to spread among ourselves.
Rahul Gandhi's remarks come amid controversy that erupted due to a passage in veteran Congress leader Salman Khurshid's book Sunrise Over Ayodhya, Nationhood in Our Times. BJP has criticized the Congress and demanded the expulsion of Khurshid from the party for reportedly comparing Hindutva with the jihadism Islam of terrorist groups such as ISIS and Boko Haram in his book. Meanwhile, a Delhi-based lawyer has filed a complaint with the Delhi police seeking registration of an FIR against Khurshid on the matter.